In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new appointment or meeting in Microsoft Outlook. To get started, open Outlook and go to your email inbox. From there, look at the vertical menu of icons on the left-hand side of the screen and click the calendar icon. This will take you from your inbox into your calendar view where you can create and manage events. Once you're in the calendar, go to the top left corner and click New Event. This opens the event creation window where you'll enter the details for your appointment or meeting. First, click into the title field and type the name of your event. Make the title clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later in your calendar. For example, you might use something like team check-in, client meeting, or project review. Next, click into the field for required attendees and add the people you want to invite. This is where you include everyone who should receive the meeting invitation. Be sure to add the correct attendees so the event reaches the right people. After that, click into the time and date field and choose the day for the appointment. You can also set the time so the event appears correctly in your calendar schedule. It's always a good idea to double check the date and time before moving on, especially if you're inviting others. Now click into the large text field and add a description. This is where you can include helpful context, such as the purpose of the meeting, topics to be discussed, or any preparation attendees should do in advance. A clear description helps everyone arrive informed. If you want to set a reminder, go to the horizontal row of icons above and click the alarm option. A reminder menu will appear and you can choose when you want to be notified. Options may include 5 minutes before, 15 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, 2 hours before, 12 hours before, 1 day before, or even 1 week before. Choose the timing that works best for the importance of the event. Alternatively, if you want Outlook to send an email reminder, click Add Email Reminder, then click Add Email Reminder again if needed to open the message field. In the field that appears, type the reminder message you want included. This can be useful for giving attendees an extra prompt with key information. Once everything looks good, click Save. Then click Save again in the top left of the calendar view to finalize the event. Your new appointment or meeting will now appear in Outlook, and any invited attendees will receive the invitation.